My name is Gercende Courtois from the Ecoaqua Institute of the University of Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, from the Aquaculture Research Group. And one of our research line is focusing on aquaculture sustainable development through the use of low trophic species and applying IMTA procedures. Through different European and regional projects, we are aiming at developing the production of new species, more specifically low trophic species that can be produced in integrated multi-trophic aquaculture in order to develop integrated production processes. More specifically, we are focusing on sea cucumber, European abalone, and micro and macroalgae production that are required in order to ensure a successful larval, post-larval, and grow-out production of these different species. We believe that the development of this type of aquaculture is of special interest for overseas countries and territories, as it can allow a diversification of aquaculture production with products that are of interest for the European and international market. Such production systems offer new feeding sources and products of high added value and quality that are produced in a sustainable way.